Okay, so let's look at some pronouns. So I, you, we. I, you, we. Nice and simple. So the be verb is the am or is, depending on the depending on the tense. So I am. Here, am is the vowel. I am turns into I'm. I'm here. I'm here. Where are they? And I will. I'll. Will. So this is one of the exceptions I talked about. So in this case, we get rid of the W and the I. I'll and LL. I'll be there. I'll be leaving soon. I will. I would. WOULD. More than half the word is removed. WOULD. Gone. I'd do that. I'd be there. I'd be here. I have. HA is gone. IVE. I've. Big difference. I had something. I had a pen. I had more pens, but I used them up. I had more ideas, and then I wrote them down. I'm going to write them down. Right. HA is gone. I'd. Half the word has disappeared. Half the word is gone. It's removed with an apostrophe. I'd. I'll. I'm. Same with you. You are. You're. You are here. You are paying attention. You're here. You will. You'll. You'll be talking to me. You'll be listening to my lesson. You'll be coming there. You'll be coming here. You would. You'd. You would have done that. You'd do it, yeah? You'd. You'll and you'd. And have. You've. You have an idea. You've got an idea. You have been there. You've been there. You've been to Spain. You've been to Spain. And had. You'd had better say that. You'd had better. You'd better go there. You'd better go here. You'd better pay now. Yeah. So again, A replace the apostrophe. WI apostrophe. WOUL gone. HA gone. HA gone. We are. We're here. We are here. We're here. We will. We'll be there at the party. We'll be there at the party. We would. We'd come and see you if we had known. We'd be there. We would. We have. We've been here before. We've seen that film already. Yeah. We had. We'd better get going. We'd better start planning. We'd already been there last year. Very good. So again, general idea is the vowels are gone. A, E, I, O, U. But sometimes other words can go again, like would. WOUL. They're gone. Have and had. HA. Gone. HA. Gone. Will. WI. You'll. Worth understanding this and keeping an eye out for it. Yeah. How cool is that? Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.